What's going on, guys? So I want to make a little intro here for this video that we're posting. A lot of you guys might not know, but we have another channel other than Backwoods Outdoors, and it is called LUTZ'S Backwoods Garage. We do four-wheeler videos, car edits, go to drag races, all sorts of stuff on there. If you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, we have that channel going on as well, other than Backwoods Outdoors. This is our most recent video that we posted on there. We got some four-wheelers running here recently, and me and Joshua decided to race our Yamaha Raptor versus the Warrior. And we got Dad's Banshee that he's getting. Got it out and was checking it out, seeing how it was going to run. We got a lot of stuff to do on some other four-wheelers, but we're going to be doing a lot of four-wheeler riding here coming up. So if you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, here's our most recent video from that channel, and I will leave the link for that channel down in the description where y'all can go and subscribe to it. But anyways, appreciate the support, and y'all enjoy. So I'm about to head up to the shop and do a little tinkering with Dad and the boys on the four-wheelers. We're going to try to get the Raptor ready to go. We're going to try to get the Banshee out and get it started and see what's going on with it. And just do a couple other things and maybe do a little bit of riding as well. So y'all stick around, and here we go. How much does it take, the whole thing? Or?
No, about 10 ounces. 2.6 ounces per gallon at a 50 to 1.
I'm gonna guess.
It's basically 2.5 ounces.
How much is in that?
So it does a gallon, so that means 5 ounces will do 2 gallons. So 10 ounces, so if I put 12, that'd be plenty to just smoke a little bit more, it won't matter.
That looks like a little bit of heaven.
Pretty much it.
Your breather.
Make sure all the caps are on it.
Take it outside, shake it up.
Ah, yes. The Yamaha Banshee.
Yes.
Beautiful.
That thing is falling off. That's probably why they got that big. This thing's down too low, too. Needs to be up a lot higher. Need to pull the plug out of the engine and check the oil, how much oil's in the crankcase. You just tighten it all the way till it gets snug.
Taking it off.
Grab a seat.
Spray a little bit more on it.
Boy, it wanted to.
Let's just pull it a little bit. Stupid, start like that. Could have water in it.
Always that possibility.
Don't even smell like it's got oil in it.
Wow, just figured out that there is the end to a fuel jug down in there. Who knew?
Well, we're going to have to try to get that out. Get a little piece of wire or something. We could probably fish it out with that.
Ta-da.
Well,
Legit.
Sometimes they fall off. This stuff's good stuff.
Huh?
Lucas is good stuff. Did you bring me a quart of oil? No, I don't either.
Did you say he doesn't have skills?
I said he's got skills, but then he said he doesn't.
Who doesn't?
Dad said he
that
didn't because he got it on the
said
case.
Dad doesn't have skills because Dad spilled a little bit of it.
What?
Where's the plug at?
I don't know. You had it. It's right there on top of the motor. No, he definitely had it. I put it back in there.
Do a little bit of looking up on
And
it.
if it is, I'll cut that piece off.
I'll look at it. Stupid. It's supposed to have a stop. And then the old ones have a stop.
I don't know why it's got a new case.
Chain's just a little bit loose.
Nobody, I mean, what do they think they're going to do? Just throw this up and freaking down the road? Why they got to put that on there so tight for? It's stupid. Just turn it on there a thread or two. It's like, that's like a dude I work with. He puts everything on.
Do what?
Like you never want to.
Do what?
They ain't a lug nut. Ain't like you're going to lose a wheel if you don't get it tight enough.
Talking about. Who's he talking about?
Uh,
He's talking about
nobody in
Don't let it run
particular.
over.
He's talking about the people that change oil at the DG.
DG mechanic.
Daniel, sit on here.
Hat backwards, it's serious now. Oh, it smells so good. I mean, it's rolling, but it's sick. He's back at home.
Where he belongs.
YouTube short. It'll rip you off of it.
And it's still Stomp a Warrior.
It ain't run on but one side. Smells so good.
I'll give you one bike length. So I'll start your back tire and you count it.
You want to switch bikes and do it? Yes, we can. I don't know if weight would play a factor in that or not.
It shouldn't. I would think you would have an advantage if you did. What? I mean, wouldn't you think that?
Don't you dare do your stupid wink thing.
That's horrible.
All right, well, we got the Raptor put back together. We still got a little bit of stuff we need to figure out on it, but it actually has top end now. It's running good when you got it throttled out. It's pretty daggone fast. I didn't realize how fast it was. I've never really opened it up. So I think a flat get it. It put the whooping on that Warrior, but it'll be a fun one to trail ride with and all that. So got that figured out. The Banshee is only firing on one side on that 2-stroke, so we're gonna probably have to tear the motor down on it and figure out what's going on with it, and I don't know, a couple other things for the other 4-wheelers, but we're gonna have a whole fleet of them to be able to start riding here soon, so pretty excited about it. But anyways, appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see y'all